In this video, I'll show you how to sell crypto on Bitget P2P and receive cash to your bank. Open the Bitget app and log in. Tap P2P Trading or go to Buy Crypto, then P2P. Switch to the Sell tab and choose the coin you want to sell, like USDT, and the fiat currency you want to receive. For beginners, it's easiest to pick an existing ad from the list. Check the buyer's price, trade limits, payment methods, and completion rate. Then tap Sell on the one you prefer. Enter the amount of crypto you want to sell and select your payment method, such as bank transfer or e-wallet. Confirm your payment details are correct, then submit the order. Bitget will lock your crypto in escrow while the buyer sends the money. When the buyer marks payment as completed, open your bank or payment app and confirm the funds have arrived. Only after you've received the money, go back to Bitget and tap Release to send the crypto to the buyer. Hope the tutorial was helpful. And subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.